Did you know that Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth? This vast white wilderness, stretching out as far as the eye can see, is like no other place on our planet. It's a land of extremes, where temperatures can plunge to a bone-chilling -128 degrees Fahrenheit, winds can reach a blistering 198 miles per hour, and parts of its interior receive less than 2 inches of precipitation a year, making it technically a desert. Antarctica is a world in white. It's the 5th largest continent, nearly twice the size of Australia, and 98% of it is covered by an ice sheet that's averaged over a mile thick. Beneath this icy expanse, a hidden landscape of mountains, valleys, and lakes exists, locked away in frozen isolation. For most of human history, this icy frontier remained untouched and unexplored. Its remote location, nestled at the bottom of the globe, and its inhospitable conditions made it an unreachable destination for early explorers. It was a blank space on the map, a mystery shrouded in ice and snow. The lack of any indigenous population also meant there were no local guides to navigate this frozen maze. Yet the isolation and harshness of Antarctica also made it a place of intrigue and fascination. It was the final frontier on Earth, a challenge for those with a thirst for adventure and discovery, a place that tested the limits of human endurance and resilience, a place where only the bravest, most tenacious explorers dared to venture. The journey to the heart of this icy wilderness was fraught with danger and uncertainty, but for those who dared, it promised the chance to blaze a trail in the annals of exploration, to venture where no human had set foot before, and to unlock the secrets of a frozen world. Despite these formidable conditions, the spirit of exploration led some brave individuals to venture into this icy wilderness. Stay with us as we journey back in time to follow in the footsteps of these early pioneers, those who dared to challenge the icy expanse and forever changed our understanding of this final frontier on Earth. The first recorded sightings of Antarctica were made by a Russian expedition led by Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen in 1820. Picture this. The year is 1820, and a Russian expedition helmed by Bellingshausen is making its way through the Southern Ocean. The weather is harsh, the seas are unforgiving, and the ice-covered continent of Antarctica looms in the distance. It's a sight few have ever witnessed, and one that will change the course of exploration forever. Bellingshausen's expedition, alongside his second-in-command, Mikhail Lazarev, was not an easy one. These brave souls were navigating uncharted waters, pushing beyond the known world into an icy wilderness. They weren't just explorers, they were pioneers, risking their lives in the pursuit of knowledge and discovery. In the face of relentless cold, treacherous icebergs and the constant threat of unpredictable weather, they pressed on. Their ships, the Vostok and the Mirny, were their lifelines, their only protection against the brutal Antarctic conditions. One can only imagine the challenges they faced each day, maintaining morale, managing dwindling resources, and battling the relentless elements. Yet despite these challenges, they succeeded in their mission. They sighted the Antarctic mainland for the first time on January 27, 1820, a momentous occasion that would forever etch their names in the annals of exploration history. But their journey was far from over. They continued to circumnavigate the continent, charting its icy coasts and discovering new landmasses along the way. Their expedition was a testament to human perseverance and the insatiable quest for knowledge. It was a journey fraught with danger and hardship, but one that yielded invaluable insights about this mysterious frozen frontier. They may not have fully grasped the significance of their discovery at the time, but their expedition set the stage for the exploration of Antarctica in the years to come. These initial voyages, as challenging as they were, paved the way for more intensive exploration of the continent. They marked the beginning of a new era, one where the boundaries of the known world were pushed further than ever before. And so, the story of Antarctic exploration began, a tale of courage, resilience, and the unending pursuit of discovery. The initial voyages paved the way for more intensive exploration of the continent. The period from 1895 to 1922 is often referred to as the heroic age of Antarctic exploration. This was a time when daring explorers, armed with little more than courage and determination, ventured into the unknown icy wilderness that is Antarctica. Among them, 3 figures stand out: Roald Amundsen, Robert Falcon Scott, and Ernest Shackleton. These men, each with their unique approach and perspective, embarked on expeditions that would forever shape our understanding of the Antarctic. Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen led the first successful expedition to reach the South Pole in December of 1911. His meticulous planning, use of sled dogs, and adaptation to Inuit survival methods played a significant role in his team's survival and success. Following closely on Amundsen's heels was British explorer Robert Falcon Scott. Scott's Terra Nova expedition aimed to be the first to reach the South Pole, but they arrived a mere 34 days after Amundsen. Tragically, Scott and his team perished on their return journey, their sacrifice underscoring the harsh and unforgiving nature of the Antarctic environment. And then there was Ernest Shackleton. While he never achieved his goal of crossing Antarctica on foot, Shackleton's endurance expedition from 1914 to 1916 is renowned for its incredible story of survival. When their ship was crushed by ice, Shackleton and his crew endured months of hardship before they were finally rescued. Shackleton's leadership and the crew's unwavering spirit in the face of adversity remain legendary. These explorers faced unimaginable difficulties: extreme cold, treacherous ice, and isolation like no other. Yet, they pressed onward, driven by a desire to uncover the secrets of the last unexplored continent on Earth. They mapped coastlines, discovered new species, and gathered invaluable data about the Antarctic climate and geology. The heroic age marked a significant period in Antarctic exploration, with several important discoveries made. These intrepid explorers laid the groundwork for future scientific research, and their stories continue to inspire us with their tales of courage, resilience, and the indomitable human spirit. One of the most dramatic events during the heroic age was the race to the South Pole between Roald Amundsen and Robert Falcon Scott. In the early 20th century, the South Pole was the last uncharted territory on Earth, a frozen frontier that no human had ever set foot on. The race to be the first to reach it was a challenge of endurance, strength, and sheer determination. Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen, a veteran of polar exploration, was one of the contenders. His strategy was meticulous planning and preparation, and he used tried and tested methods for polar travel. Amundsen's team used skis and dog sleds, and they prioritized the well-being of their team members. They reached the South Pole on December 14, 1911, planting the Norwegian flag in the frozen ground. The British explorer Robert Falcon Scott, on the other hand, took a different approach. Scott's team relied on motor sledges, ponies, and man-hauling sledges. However, these methods proved to be less effective in the harsh Antarctic conditions. The motor sledges broke down, the ponies struggled in the snow, and the heavy man-hauled sledges slowed them down significantly. Their journey was riddled with difficulties and hardships. They reached the South Pole on January 17, 1912, only to find the Norwegian flag fluttering in the wind, a crushing realization that they had lost the race. Tragically, on their return journey, Scott and his team succumbed to the harsh conditions. The race to the South Pole was a story of triumph and tragedy. Amundsen's success was a testament to his meticulous planning and understanding of the polar conditions. Scott's tragic end highlighted the unforgiving nature of the Antarctic wilderness and the risks involved in such ambitious endeavors. The race to the South Pole was a testament to human endurance and the desire to push boundaries. It showcased the indomitable spirit of the explorers, their relentless pursuit of the unknown, and their unyielding determination to conquer the last frontier on Earth. Despite the hardships, these early explorations of Antarctica led to several significant scientific discoveries. Imagine standing on a vast expanse of ice, surrounded by nothing but snow and the chill of the wind. This was the reality for the brave early explorers of Antarctica, and their courage and perseverance yielded a wealth of scientific knowledge. One of the most critical discoveries made during these expeditions was the understanding of weather patterns. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth, and these extreme conditions have given scientists a unique laboratory to study weather and climate. The data collected from Antarctic weather stations have been instrumental in shaping our understanding of global climate patterns and changes. But it wasn't just about the weather. The explorers also made significant strides in understanding the wildlife of Antarctica. Despite the harsh conditions, a variety of species have adapted to life in this icy wilderness. From the emperor penguins, who breed during the freezing Antarctic winter, to the Weddell seals, the southernmost breeding mammal, each species offers a unique insight into survival in the most extreme conditions. And let's not forget the geological discoveries. Antarctica is much more than a barren ice desert. It's a continent with mountains, valleys, and even active volcanoes. The explorers' findings showed that Antarctica was once a part of the supercontinent Gondwana, and its separation played a key role in the evolution and distribution of life on Earth. Moreover, the ice itself tells a story. The layers of ice, like rings on a tree, provide a timeline of the Earth's atmospheric conditions going back hundreds of thousands of years. This has been crucial in understanding past climate changes and predicting future ones. These are but a few examples of the wealth of knowledge gleaned from the icy expanse of Antarctica. From weather patterns to wildlife, from geology to climatology, every discovery has opened a new window into our understanding of the Earth. These discoveries have greatly contributed to our understanding of the Earth and its climate. The early explorers of Antarctica left a lasting legacy that continues to inspire explorers and scientists today. Their tales of courage, determination, and unyielding curiosity echo through the years, reverberating in the hearts and minds of those who dare to venture into the icy expanse. These pioneers, braving the unknown, laid the groundwork for our modern understanding of Antarctica. They were the first to map its icy landscapes, to study its unique wildlife, and to endure its harsh conditions. Their findings and experiences provided invaluable insights that have shaped the course of Antarctic research. The legacy of these early explorers is not just confined to the past. It's a vibrant, living legacy that continues to guide and inspire. Every scientific expedition that sets foot on the Antarctic continent today is part of this ongoing narrative, a story of exploration and discovery that began with those first brave souls. Modern research in Antarctica builds upon the foundations laid by these pioneers. The data they collected, the observations they made, the hardships they overcame, all of these contribute to our present-day understanding of this frozen frontier. Their spirit of exploration, of pushing boundaries and venturing into the unknown, is reflected in the work of today's scientists. Today, Antarctica is a hub of scientific research. Scientists from around the world travel to its icy shores to conduct studies in a variety of fields, from climate change to astrobiology. Every expedition, every discovery, adds a new chapter to the legacy of Antarctic exploration. The men and women who journey to Antarctica today are the successors of those early explorers. They are the torchbearers, carrying forward the flame of scientific curiosity and the spirit of exploration. They follow in the footsteps of the pioneers, guided by the same sense of wonder and thirst for knowledge. The spirit of those early explorers lives on, as scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of Antarctica. Their legacy is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the enduring allure of the unknown. It's a story that continues to unfold as we delve deeper into the secrets of this icy frontier. Today, Antarctica plays a crucial role in our understanding of the Earth's climate and ecosystem. Nestled at the very bottom of our planet, this icy continent serves as a critical barometer for global climate change. As the Earth's thermostat, Antarctica's ice cores provide us with a historical record of our climate dating back hundreds of thousands of years. By studying these ice cores, scientists can track changes in temperature and atmospheric composition over time, giving us insights into the future of our planet's climate. But Antarctica isn't just a giant lab for climate scientists. It's also home to a unique array of biodiversity. Seals, penguins, and whales are some of the most well-known residents, but there are also countless microscopic organisms that call this icy land home. These tiny creatures play a vital role in the food chain, and their resilience in such harsh conditions could provide clues to life on other planets. Antarctica's scientific significance is matched only by the international cooperation it inspires. The Antarctic Treaty, signed by 12 nations in 1961, set aside the continent as a scientific preserve, banning military activity and prohibiting mineral mining. Today, over 50 nations are part of this agreement, working together to protect and study this unique environment. This cooperation is a testament to the power of science to unite nations in the pursuit of knowledge and preservation. It's this combination of climate research, biodiversity, and international cooperation that makes Antarctica so significant. It's more than just a frozen wilderness at the end of the world. It's a living laboratory, a testament to the resilience of life, and a beacon of international unity in a world often divided. From a mysterious, unexplored frontier, Antarctica has become a vital part of our global ecosystem and scientific research. As we look back at the daring journeys of the early explorers, we are reminded of the human spirit's resilience and curiosity. From the icy expanse that first challenged the brave, through the early voyages that mapped unknown territories, to the heroic age that witnessed a race to the pole. Every step was a testament to courage and determination. The scientific discoveries made by these explorers have shaped our understanding of the world. Antarctica, once a frozen frontier, has become a beacon of international cooperation for scientific research, highlighting the importance of preserving this unique ecosystem for future generations. These explorers, their stories etched in the annals of history, have left a legacy that continues to inspire. Their pursuit of knowledge, their courage in the face of overwhelming odds, their indomitable spirit, all serve as a reminder of what humanity can achieve. Their stories continue to inspire us as we journey into the unknown, push boundaries, and strive to understand our place in this vast universe.